Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Easy Out tool. This handy device is specifically designed to help you remove broken or stripped screws, bolts, or studs that have snapped off flush or below the surface. It's a lifesaver when you're faced with a fastener that just won't budge, preventing further damage to your project. Let's dive into the steps. Before you begin, proper preparation is key. Start by using a center punch to create a small indentation exactly in the middle of the broken fastener. This ensures your drill bit won't wander. Then, carefully drill a pilot hole into the center of the fastener. The size of this hole is critical. It should be deep enough to allow the Easy Out to grip effectively, typically about 1/2 to 2/3 the fastener's depth. Now it's time to use the Easy Out. Insert the Easy Out tool into the pilot hole you just drilled, ensuring it seats firmly. Use a tap wrench or an adjustable wrench to turn the Easy Out counterclockwise. As you turn, the tool's reverse threads will bite into the fastener, creating a strong grip. Maintain steady, even pressure, and the broken fastener should begin to unscrew and come out smoothly. For particularly stubborn fasteners, a few extra tips can make all the difference. Apply a good quality penetrating oil to the fastener and let it soak for at least 15 minutes. Sometimes, gently heating the surrounding material with a heat gun can help expand it, loosening the grip on the fastener. Remember to always wear appropriate safety glasses to protect your eyes from any flying debris. Patience and proper technique are your best allies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.